Assalamu alaikum. I am Mobeen Zulfkar, roll number 84056. I will present antimetabolites as anti-cancer. Contents include introduction of antimetabolites, different types of antimetabolites and their mode of action. For a cell to reproduce, its all DNA should be replicated, and for that all the nucleotides must be available. Reduction in availability causes the stoppage of DNA synthesis and cell division. Antimetabolites block the synthesis of nucleotides because they are structurally similar to natural compounds. They affect in two ways, either inhibiting the active site of enzyme or incorporating into DNA strand to cause its termination. Antimetabolites used in cancer chemotherapy because cancer cells divide more rapidly than the normal cells. That's why antimetabolites has more effect on cancer cell than the normal cells. There are three types of antimetabolites: folate antagonists, purine and pyrimidine antagonists, and each type has its different antimetabolites, which I will present further. Folate antagonist. Folic acid provides the methylation to the precursors of nucleotides. Antifolates block the active site of enzyme dihydrofolate reductase, which reduce the folic acid to its active form. Decrease in active folates cause less methylation of precursors, which cause inhibition of nucleotide synthesis. 4-methotrexate is antifolate. It inhibits the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, which converts folic acid to its active form tetrahydrofolate. So there will be no formation of deoxythymidylate monophosphate from deoxyuridine monophosphate. As we can see, methotrexate is blocking the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme on its active site. So there will be no formation of active tetrahydrofolate, due to which deoxyuridine monophosphate cannot be converted into deoxythymidylate monophosphate. The, the inhibition of dihydrofolate reductase can be reversed by the 1000-fold excess of dihydrofolate. It is specific for S phase of the cell cycle. Second antimetabolite is pemetrexate. It has similar mechanism to methotrexate, but it also inhibits thymidylate synthase enzyme. Third antimetabolite is pralatrexate, which has similar function like methotrexate. Second type is purine antagonist. They act in two ways. They inhibit the production of purine nucleotides, or they are incorporated into DNA strands for its termination. 6-mercaptopurine is thiol analog of hypoxanthine, means there is thiol group attached to the hypoxanthine. It produces hydroxyurea in cell, which inhibit the DNA synthesis. It is used for lymphoblastic leukemia and Crohn's disease. Mode of action: 6-mercaptopurine is converted into thioinosine monophosphate TIMP by HGPRT enzyme. TIMP then inhibits the de novo synthesis of purine ring by acting as analog. TIMP also converted to thioguanine monophosphate, which after phosphorylation into triphosphate is incorporated into DNA and RNA. As we can see, mercaptopurine is inhibiting the inosine monophosphate to adenylosuccinate. which is then converted into adenylate, but this process is blocked by mercaptopurine. Same way here, xanthinylate cannot be converted into guanine monophosphate, and hydroxyurea, which is also produced by it, block the incorporation of adenine and guanine into DNA. 6-thioguanine is used to treat the leukemia and liver injuries. Anhydrous salt of thioguanine also has anti-neoplastic activity. Mode of action include thioguanine is phosphorylated into thioguanine monophosphate by HGPRT enzyme. After that, it is converted to triphosphate by kinases enzyme present in the cell. Then thioguanine triphosphate is incorporated into DNA or RNA, which terminate their synthesis. It also inhibits aminotransferase enzyme, which is involved in purine biosynthesis. As we can see, 6-thioguanine is converted into thioguanine monophosphate by HGPRT enzyme. Thioguanine monophosphate is further converted into thioguanine triphosphate by kinases enzyme, which inhibit the biosynthesis of purines. It also inhibits the conversion of guanine monophosphate to guanine diphosphate. If there will be no purine nucleotides, there will be no synthesis of DNA or RNA. Next antimetabolite is azathioprine. Azathioprine has cytotoxic and immunosuppressive activity. This prodrug is activated by liver xanthine oxidase enzyme to 6-mercaptopurine. We already understand the mechanism of action of 6-mercaptopurine, how it inhibits the DNA synthesis. Third type is pyrimidine antagonists. These antimetabolites block the synthesis of cytidine and thiamine nucleotides. Decitabine is analog of cytidine. It incorporates into DNA and RNA. Incorporation of it causes the demethylation of sequence by inhibiting the methyltransferase enzyme. Due to demethylation, DNA regulation is disturbed. As we can see, 5-aza-deoxycytidine is converted into deoxycytidine triphosphate. After that, it is incorporated into DNA, which causes the blockage of methyltransferase enzyme. And there will be hypomethylation, means there will be less methylation of DNA strand, which cause the tumor associated genes to express, which put the cell into differentiation process. Azacitidine is also a cytidine analog, which causes the hypomethylation of DNA and RNA. It causes direct cytotoxicity of abnormal bone marrow cells. Hypomethylation causes the activation of genes that are responsible for cell proliferation and differentiation, which cause the cell death. Mode of action: azacitidine is converted into azacitidine triphosphate and incorporated into DNA and RNA. It inhibits the methyltransferase enzyme, due to which there will be hypomethylation, which activate the tumor suppressor genes, which ultimately cause the cell death by apoptosis. As we can see here, 5-aza monophosphate is converted into triphosphate, and then it is incorporated into RNA, as well as it is also incorporated into DNA. The protein biosynthesis is disturbed when it is incorporated into RNA, and the cell goes into apoptosis process, which leads to the cell death. 5-fluorouracil. 5-fluorouracil has fluorine atom on position 5 of uracil ring. It is used for treatment of slow growing solid tumors. Mode of action: 5-fluorouracil is converted into 5-fluorodeoxyuridine monophosphate by cellular enzymes. It attacks on active site of thymidylate synthase enzyme and block its action. There will be no production of thymidylate monophosphate. It also incorporates into RNA and stops its function at S phase of the cell cycle. As we can see, 5-fluorouracil is converted into 5-fluorouracil diphosphate, and by reductase enzyme it is converted into 5-fluorodeoxyuracil monophosphate. It attaches on the active site of thymidylate synthase enzyme and block the conversion of deoxyuridine monophosphate to deoxythymidine monophosphate. So there will be the decrease in deoxythymidine monophosphate. Citrabine. Citrabine or ARA-C is analog of 2-deoxycytidine which contain D-arabinose instead of ribose sugar. It is cytotoxic and S-phase specific for the cell cycle. It is used for leukemia and lymphoma. Mode of action: citrabine is phosphorylated to ARA-CTP by kinases enzyme. ARA-CTP inhibits the alpha, beta, RNA and DNA polymerase enzymes and DNA repair enzyme. On incorporation into DNA, it terminates the DNA elongation. It also inhibits the nucleotide reductase enzyme, which is important for DNA synthesis. As we can see, ARA-C is converted when enter into the cell. It is converted into ARA-CDP and CTP by kinases enzymes. After incorporation into DNA, it blocks the further DNA elongation. These are the references.